Welcome back to Crypto Sovereignty. The crypto market is buzzing with activity, and as always, there's a lot to unpack, guys. Prices have been swinging, news is breaking, and it's a lot to keep up with. In today's video, we're diving into the current state of the market, the latest developments shaking up the crypto world, and of course, we'll check into the coins in our watch list. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just trying to make sense of it all, I've got you covered in this video. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the big picture. Let's see. Market cap is sitting at 3.4 trillion, a little bit down compared to yesterday. Fear and greed is at 55. Previously was 61, I believe. And Bitcoin dominance sitting at 58%, about 1% up today. Let's see. And also, Bitcoin recently dipped below 100K, testing the resilience of investor. However, remember, guys, this is crypto. Just as quickly as it turns red, it can flip to green as quick. Okay? Especially with driven by political optimism and renewed investors confidence. So expect a bounce back from here, guys. Let's see. And also, if you look back here, the altcoins are also feeling the pressure. Let's check out. XRP is now under a dollar. Solana has been down 11% the last 24 hours. And Ethereum was down 7%. Cardano 7%. So the altcoins are feeling the pressure as well as when Bitcoins take a low hit, right? But I believe it's just a healthy pullback, guys, because it's not like a big volatility, right? It's not like a 20% down the last 24 hours. So that's just a healthy pullback, in my opinion. It's a reminder that while the market can be unpredictable, and strong fundamental often prevail. Okay, and the key takeaway: this dips, while unsettling, often present an opportunities, right? So it's essential to stay focused on the fundamentals and not get swayed by short-term market movements. This is crypto, guys. We'll see red some days and green. Okay, which is this is a normal in the market. But I truly this week, guys, I truly believe, even though we've seen a recent dip, I can't shake the feelings that we're on the verge of significant upside this week. Why? Well, historically, these kinds of corrections are often followed by strong recoveries, especially in the crypto space where momentum can shift quickly. On top of that, the renewed confidence in Bitcoin crossing key psychological levels, okay, and a growing interest in altcoins as Trump and Wales are buying the altcoins from Chainlink to Tron to Solana. Okay, sometimes sometimes the market doesn't make sense, right? Because all the developments and the regulations coming from the Trump team, and we don't see a lot of price action. It's like the seems like the market is in the opposite. It's like it's trending down instead of like um seeing a price action to the upside. But I truly believe we'll see an upside this week. I truly believe that, guys. It is catching a breather here, in my opinion. Nothing's guaranteed. Um, all signs point to increased buying activity, and more upward pressure is coming. So just stay sharp and keep an eye on this key levels. It's going to be an interesting week. But personally, I will be watching the market closely, and when I see reds, I'll be accumulating more of my favorite altcoins. Okay, now let's delve into some of the latest headlines in crypto world here. I saw this article here. It's talking about the Trump meme coin. Trump meme coin draws eyes but leaves crypto market without fresh investment. Web3 experts. While the Trump token brought considerable attention to the crypto market, it struggled on board substantially new capital. That's the takeaway from the comparative analysis of Trump's market cap versus the total value of the crypto market. The meme coin launched with significant impact last week, reaching a market cap over 10 billion on its first day. But since the drop, approximately 5.3 billion at the time of writing. Meanwhile, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies has fluctuated around 3 trillion according to data TradingView and CoinDesk. While Trump is now worth billions, the total crypto market cap has barely moved. And while it's really interesting headlines to say 400,000 users were onboarded, Phantom was the number one app for a little bit, and it feels like the whole world was paying attention in this token. I think we have actually did was onboard a lot of attention. When it comes to an actual liquidity, the capital of the token, very little of it was from new people. Unfortunately, we ended up moving the hot ball money around, and you can see this, especially on chain with all alts on Solana and amount of liquidity rapidly in Solana ecosystem. That makes sense, guys. When I saw Trump had incredible, massive rally, a lot of um, a lot of investors or traders, especially newer investor, they usually chase the pump, right? So they see Trump, they try to ride the wave, and then there's a new meme coin. For instance, the Melania, they take profit and move over there. So they're pretty much chasing pumps, and sometimes that can be really. It's not a, in my opinion, it's not a good idea because you're gonna end up buying at the top, in my opinion. That's already pumped because they got insiders on both of these political meme coin. And remember, Phantom and Solana ecosystem was having an issues. A lot of them couldn't buy, so you had to like even to try to do a swap in Phantom and Phantom, they wouldn't be able to do it. So by the time you've been trying to get in, you already pumped a lot, right? So that's a very you gotta be careful chasing pump, guys. This is why I'm saying just wait for the gains. It'll come, okay? Just trust in your project. Give it a time. Just remember the last the halving was on April, okay? So usually we'll see some massive rally between we'll say 6 months after, and usually peak between 12 to 18 months after having. So you just gotta put that in your mind. I mean, keep it in mind. Don't just chase um don't just chase any project that is pumping to just try to get some little gains and stuff like that, because it's a very it's kind of dangerous in my opinion. Okay, you're gonna end up a lot of people sell off and you're gonna be holding the bag. You can get rugged too. Okay. All right. With all that being said, let's check in our watch list one couple of our coins, our favorite coins. Let's go over here. All right, let's start with Moonbeam. I just did a deep dive about this project in my last video, so you guys can check it out if you want to know more about this project. All right, Moonbeam Glimmer setting a market cap at 166 million. Let's see here. It is down 3% at 24 hours, 21% the last 7 days. So it's still, the last time I talked about it was still, it's still hovering around these prices. So it's a great opportunity for entry or add more on your bags, right? If you believe in this project, if you're holding any. Not a financial advice, okay? All right, let's go check out Supra. There we go. This Supra is my main call in this bull run. So I think it's gonna massively do well for us. So essentially, it's still an amazing buying opportunity. I will continue to accumulate at this level. I just look at this like I would. This is like at this level. It's like at the best time to back up, in my opinion. Back up the truck, right? Get the dry powder and put it in the market. Look, if you got money on the sideline sitting in a savings account, it's losing like 2.8% pretty much, right? That's why I don't hold cash like that. I usually just everything's invested. So, in a ways, let's see, market cap is 124 million, and then again, it's still a fairly new coin, guys. Okay, essentially, still small in the circulating supply, and it is has a lot of it's about 79 billion in total supply. Okay, just keep that in mind when you're talking your tokenomics. Okay, so you can't buy this, and it's not on the tier one exchanges, so you can get it on Get.io, Mexi, KuCoin. So it's not. I was I'll be. I thought they have him on Uphold, but they don't yet. But in my guess, we will have tier one exchanges for Supra in 2025 this year, and that'll be massive for this project. Like I said, guys, Supra is one of my favorite project, my favorite call that I'm really bullish on. I think it's gonna do incredible for us if you hold Supra. Anyways, moving on. So, what's the bottom line? The crypto market's volatility can be daunting, right? But it's essential to focus on projects with strong fundamentals like Moonbeam, Supra, right? Those are very much my base when I do research on projects. And when you see these dips can present opportunities, and staying informed is crucial, guys. Okay? So, let me know in the comments which coins you are watching, or if you have added any to your portfolio. If there's a project you'd like me to dive deeper into, just drop a comment, and I'd like I'd love to cover it in an upcoming video. Okay, because there's a lot of crypto project out there with a massive opportunity. And as a reminder, this is not a financial advice, guys. Always make sure you do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And stay calm, stay focused, stay informed, and as always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.